L.A Wildfire death toll hits 24 as local warned to brace for another 24 hours of hell. So we get to see that the L.A wildfire death toll has risen to 24 amid warnings that weather conditions will be not good in Furon for at least 3 more days. The metallurgists warned residents in evacuation zones that life-threatening winds reaching 70 will pick up on Sunday night and last through to Wednesday, heightening the risk for fires to spread even further across southern California. 4 fires have been burned through 4,000 acres across the most neighborhood in LA, with at least celebrity homes and restaurants hotspots among the 12 stretches wiped out. The LA Medical Examiner update to the death count on Sunday, revealing 24 people are now confirmed dead as a result of the fire.